Jodian was dealt a bad hand. She was treated so wrong, and in her memory we must all stand. She was given a raw deal. The sadness is so real. My God, what an ordeal. I can't fathom how her family must feel. A child is no motherless, a family left in distress. Could this have been prevented? Did everyone try their best? Just spare a thought for the little sweetheart, from who her mother has now depart. Her life has been a struggle from the very start. Miss Fearon was strong, but the journey was a bit too long. Damn, what is man, if to a sister we cannot lend a hand? In these times as we fight to live, it appears love we no longer have to give. Our hearts is now like a sieve, and our compassion stored in a fridge. Can you imagine her pain? Let that just sit on your brain. Can you picture the scenes, her anguish, her countless screams? How could we allow this to reach little miss? She was treated so mean. This is most obscene. How could we allow this to happen to a queen? Aren't we one nation? Aren't we a team? Hell, are we still even human beings? It must have been so emotionally draining amid the constant complaining. So physically bruising. It's like even our little humanity we are now losing. Many things are being said, but sadly the Empress is dead. And Jano, we need a few heads. I wonder how some are able to sleep in their beds. So many to blame, I won't call any name, but let her death not be in vain. From this we must refrain and never allow it to happen again.
Teach them! Hey yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.